start recording. Okay, so now quick introduction. So hello everyone. Today we're gonna be working with this mind map. The goal is to check out some videos which were made by like other influencers, content creators about these three problems, and to kind of fill in the most possible information. So we're gonna also be discussing all the things with my colleagues. So, do you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, because it's not. Oh, I see now. Right. So I need to make sure the let me retrieve here the video. Let's try.
Faces 8 challenges along their journey. How they deal with
Sure.
them tells you if
May I ask you what's
they're
actually
bound
the
to-
first? What is
Oh
actually the
yeah.
first
Sorry, sorry. I need to introduce him.
problem and the topic of the video? Which problem would you like to improve?
Yes,
Or
yes.
which
That's
solution?
a
Yeah.
fair question. So the first segment is those who create products with Bolt or Cursor. So they use large language models, and they type what they want to get. So it's a no code. Well, you can still edit code, but mostly Bolt is used by people who don't really know how to code, but now they can just explain it like in plain English or their own language and have some results. Unfortunately, later they experience face scaling problems, because after some point the models start to hallucinate, create lots of files, the project structure is not clear. So
But is it customer problem? Customer pain?
well, it is.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, like they struggle that they can't advance on that. So
Okay. When they start to program by themselves, they face this problem. Or if they start to use this Bolt Cursor model and they face this problem, it's sometimes too difficult to make it. And you make a proposition for them, yeah?
yes, right.
Okay, great.
So yeah, the proposition here is quite straightforward: to find independent developers or teams and connect with these non-tech builders. During the research, I also found that like the final 30%, like the polish and scalability, it's something that can be done mostly, well, currently, by those who have programming experience. Well, yeah, and these things I think I already mentioned. So let's jump to the videos, maybe.
Mm-hmm.
To be honest, I'm more excited about the second idea, but yeah, we're gonna walk this through. So here,
to the ground and found out the graveyard. Which one are you? If you don't come from a technical background and want to start a tech business, you've chosen business on hard mode, the opposite of a hot girl becoming a motivational content creator. Don't worry, Uncle Adrian has your back. This video does 3 things. Number 1, make you aware of the challenges you will face. Number 2, show you the right way to deal with them. And number 3, show you the wrong way to deal with them. And the way I see it, I'm doing myself a favor. My team and I work with a lot of non-technical business owners. So the more of you out there who knows how to work with developers, the less I want to do this.
so first, yeah.
Is it possible maybe to summarize this video? Because it was also a suggest from Anton that, okay, we can make some tricks. We can use all stuff we are able to use, and
So-
exactly. Maybe just some points.
Okay. I can try to copy paste the transcription, okay, to ChatGPT, and we'll see what it's gonna give. So I will share then.
You just cannot send the link into ChatGPT
No,
and waiting for
Good?
summary.
it doesn't
Yeah.
work. Actually, I tried today to just send a link to video to ChatGPT directly, but he told me no, I cannot manage.
But you need to use O3 model.
Oh,
Okay,
three.
it will be okay. Well, let's
Okay.
try.
Try to ask him, can you read the
Every non-tech founder
subtitles,
faces 8 challenges
subtitles
along their journey.
in video on YouTube, and please get me summary about information into this video. Summary or conclusion doesn't matter. I think.
Sorry, the well, yeah, it's gonna save us some time. By the way, have you ever encountered this kind of problems I talked about in the mind map? Maybe do you know someone who tried to use large language models for programming?
Can you check ChatGPT now?
Yep. Window.
Should be faster than watching whole video.
Yeah. And he tried to check also links.
Sorry, that didn't work. Well, I'm gonna copy paste the transcription while it's still thinking.
LinkedIn. But have you seen this video before?
Nope.
No.
But I can tell you where I got it. I asked ChatGPT to do a research, like somewhere there, and this was one of the sources it was using. Maybe by the way I can please. Okay, I learned terminology, consult tech co-founder or trusted expert. Okay. Use a structured process. That is interesting. That's an interesting one. How to share everything. Let me share the whole screen, maybe with you. Pardon me. Yeah. So here, use a structured process. Process of. Well, to be honest, I don't think it's that insightful, this video. Maybe I'll check the next one. The same way, we're gonna get the transcription, summarize it.
Обязательно видос без паузы записать, да?
Не знаю.
Ну, это для внутрянки или куда-то будете постить?
Оно будет потом поститься, но его всегда можно чикнуть, если что.
Отредачить?
Ну, вообще, да, и касательно того, что прямо вот один в один как есть, такого указания не было.
Я
Но
понял.
если кто-то пукнул громко, то лучше, конечно.
Женя, а чем ты занимаешься?
Можно на английском?
Думаю, это же видос не пойдет.
Ну, я его все равно выложу на YouTube.
А, серьезно?
Да.
Ладно.
So yeah, I'm a front-end developer. I do web services, like
Плохо слышу.
плохо слышим.
А, окей.
So yeah, like one of the services I built recently is like this platform where you can record videos and answer to questions. There was also an attempt to build a Telegram mini app, but it didn't really found its audience. Well, in other projects. Okay, so for this video, hidden problems, slow deliveries, skill gaps, quality risks. To be honest, I'm not sure that's the right video for my segment. You know what? I think it's going to be better to switch to the second problem because I might know that I know that these videos are better. So okay, second problematic is how to find good programmers. Like, have you ever tried to hire programmers though? Ivan? Roman?
Yeah, can you say again, please?
No.
Okay. So one of the points we discussed yesterday was that sometimes the descriptions are too similar, okay? And there's a risk to end up with a mismatch. And well, yeah, it's entrepreneurs and teams with no like special tech knowledge. They face this problem. Also, for the backend developers who work on the server side of the things, there are no visuals. Like for me, it's easier. I'm a front-end developer, so I can like show the mockups and all the stuff. Pictures, it's clear. For backend developers, it's not that easy. And the proposition is there are two. One of just a job board, but yeah, there are many, and I wanted to focus on these two. They can be combined. So one tool can analyze GitHub repos. So even if you don't know how to code, it's still gonna be understandable for you. And also there is this thing you might have used that. I'm not sure where it. I think it's like with this at symbol in ChatGPT. It might work. That you can call models. Yeah. And one of the ideas was to create an assistant which you can talk to, like, hey, like this developer, like will he be able to create such a service for me? And for the proof, well, there are APIs. It is possible to build this thing, and also I found a Git role. It was quite similar. I also tried it. I entered my own GitHub, and it showed me like this branch kind of pie chart of skills, which is somewhat representative. Okay, So yeah, I mostly do front-end development. I used all these like technologies or libraries. For the backend, I used this stack as well, and yeah, I have machine learning repositories. But the problem with that is it's not like it just has this small descriptions, and I think it would be useful to, like, yeah, this is a proposition, to be able to chat with that. Like, here's another example. So yeah, just gonna
Not only analyze the skills, you can chat with your app, like tell me something about this freelancer. Please tell me he is good or he is bad. It's enough qualification for make my scope of work good. Yeah, I understand this clear.
yeah, this is correct. And also the way it works, it analyzes the GitHub repository, so it's
Yeah.
it is based on the code he wrote or like he contributed. So yeah, to jump to these videos. Oh wait, it might be wrong order. What? Or no? Or is it?
I think it's next one.
Wait, I need to think for a moment. Well, it's gonna be a bit how to. It's gonna be like that. How to pick a. Okay, one of the tutorials I know would be great is to check for the MCP. Git.
In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can build and deploy your own.
We're gonna go the same way. I will try to get the transcription, although my mouse isn't working.
In this video,
Okay. Roman, a question for you.
Yeah.
How do you think this is going? Is it a bit better than what we did?
In each case, much better as the call 4 years, for 4 hours before. But yeah,
Where are we? We're
actually,
18 minutes.
I think,
10 minutes.
yeah.
I want to ask some information.
Yes.
Excuse me, Roman. For what you using? You're watching some videos in YouTube from influencers about process of about your problems. Why you not only asking ChatGPT? Maybe he can make a deep research for get more correct.
What is deep research?
Good question. Good question. It was a part of the task
For
to
what?
use to use videos from YouTube, from no matter where, from some courses that give us the answers to the problems of customers. Yeah, I think the approach to use ChatGPT would be the right one. Like use video like just additional improvement,
Some developers
but not the main source of
So
information.
what is main source? Which one?
So in my opinion, exactly, ChatGPT nowadays the number one source. We could get main ideas from.
Complexity as well, by the way.
Yeah,
I would run it.
but or yeah, maybe I have no
What
idea what is it.
what is it?
Well, it's similar to Google, but it's using large language models, and you see it generates me the answer like on the go. So it's similar to deep research.
Братишка, send me link in Telegram, please.
Okay. After the call.
Okay.
Complexity.
Okay, I have a summary of one of the videos. So, success pillar, budget, time, quality. That's not what I asked for. I mean, it's okay video, but the question was how to find a developer, not how to build the product. Video. And what will I include? How to analyze. Close. Yeah, I'm kind of researching in the live format, but it is what it is, because it's okay. This one looks promising though. We're going to summarize it as well.
I paid $200 on Fiverr.
That's quite interesting. These success stories. This might be insightful for my canvas. And I guess this video.
This is probably
yes. Was closer to my first problematic, so I will summarize it as well. Although step by step. Let's keep trying to get back though. Oh, it doesn't have. Wait, but where is the video? Start.
Today we're
Yeah, this one. So I need to see the limits. What are the limits of the cursor based on the opinion of this guy? Minutes. Okay. For now, what do we have? I think here, oh, yeah, it reminds me this video that someone hired a freelancer to build an internal tool. Biggest disappointment was missing refund rate calculation. So this freelancer missed something. That's
Well,
interesting.
yeah, in each case, yeah, if you try to reach something, you can also get some how to say
Like
it?
about this guy? Or what?
So refund rate calculation missing.
I don't know how to scale this. Maybe. Oh yeah, yeah, I can scale.
I can just place to another screen.
Yeah,
Yeah, now
the thing is,
better.
this guy found some freelancer to do all the app, and here's a nice table with results and reactions. Biggest disappointment is that one of the features was missing. Also, there were some errors. Well, that's fine. UX UI was not really great. Well, it's not the main point, I guess. Performance, slow logins. Well, that's bad. That's bad. Okay, interesting. I'm not sure how to what to write about that in this mind map. I don't know. Like here, I didn't fill in the scale part because, well, it was kind of obvious. But yeah, in the last like 2 minutes, I think I will do it. So. Yeah, if it's a service which connects like tech and non-tech, well, let's say founders, kind of founders, because it's not really founders. Like the tech guy is more like a support. That would be more correct. Like there are no scaling issues. For the second thing, MCP model context protocol based solution, like I don't know, can indefinitely as there are tokens, so money to pay for like And yeah, like the rest, all kind of free from the perspective of operating expenses. And the last one, well, we didn't have time. I will. It was about like the non-clear understanding on how to create a product, and well, I will have to explore that on my own. So on this, yeah, it's already 30 minutes.